Okay, we're gonna replace the hood shocks. So pop the hood. There's a latch in here. So these hood shocks are barely holding up. They keep falling. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and replace those two hood shocks. I bought a set of replacements. First, before I do anything, I'm gonna measure it up. Alright, it looks like it's the same length. Okay, looks pretty good. We need a flathead screwdriver. Okay, just a regular cheap flathead screwdriver. Okay, so this is what I do. Let's go ahead and to do it one person, I'm gonna go get vice grips and we'll clamp one of the shocks so then I can take off the other one without having issues. Okay, we're back. Some small vice grips. Go ahead and just clamp it. So that'll make sure that doesn't collapse or it doesn't compress. And we'll go ahead and change this side. So to release this, take a flathead screwdriver. And once you get the spring like that, okay, so this bottom one is released. No, we'll go ahead and release this top one. I'm trying to do it one-handed, so it's a little tricky. Okay. There, so it just leaves two. And then the low knuckles. This one's off. Go ahead and open the bag. Finish the new one. Okay. So we have the new one. Line it up and then just press. Line the bottom one up. So you might have to lift the hood up a little. Okay. So now go ahead and release this. Test it. Okay. So let's go ahead and change the other one. Now it will hold up by itself. Same thing as the other side. So to line this up, I normally like to lift up the hood a little. There we go. Once it lift up the hood, there. all done. New shocks are installed. Now, here, close it and test it. Good. Okay, everything, the hood still lines up. Good, perfect. All right, I think we're fixed.